Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to use Countif formula. Countif formula is used to count the number of cells within a specific rank. As example, we have this number in the column and I will click at these cells. You can type equal count if and open bracket. I will select at this rank. In this formula, you can type double quote with criteria, but the first we need to set for the semicolon. Okay, you can type semicolon and double quote. Now I will set like into more than 150 and double quote again, and you can close bracket. The next, if you press enter, it will be show for the 6 items. That means more than 150 in this rank. So you can change again, like in here I will set into lower than, I will set 200 and press enter. Now it will be count with 2 items, so that means this item. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to use Countif formula. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.